Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to add an email address to your YouTube channel. First of all, open YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Once done, click on your profile photo and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio dashboard here, scroll down and click on Customization. And here select Basic Info. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you will get this Contact Info section. Under Contact Info section, you will get this email address box. Now, all you have to need just type here your email address. And then click on Publish. And that's it. Now let's go to channel. And now let's go to this channel about section. And here, as you can see, I've added my email address to my channel. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.